Hi my loves, it's Sam. Today I'm going to show you my self-tanning routine. So the very first thing that I do is wash my entire body. The one I'm using right now is the Deep Steep Lavender and Chamomile Body Wash. And I always make sure that I use a loofah with it. And the next thing that I do is shave, and I just use a Walmart shaving gel. It's okay, it's whatever, and I make sure to shave my legs, my armpits, my bikini area. I also shave my stomach so that it's really nice and smooth. This is going to help the self tanner go on a lot better. And then the most important step is to exfoliate. This is the Sun Labs Exfoliant Body Gel, and this I do with the loofah as well. It's paraben free, and I just make sure that I exfoliate everywhere that I'll be applying my self tanner, because it's going to help get all of the dead skin cells off so that you have a really nice even layer. The next thing you're going to want to do is apply any kind of body cream to elbows, wrists, the top of your hands, your ankles, the feet, knees. I'm using the Sun Labs Self Tanning Lotion Ultra Dark Instant Tint. This is paraben free. It's also got a sugar-based formula and dries really to help prevent streaking. It comes out really dark so you can see exactly where you're applying it. This will make your hands dark while you're applying it, so just make sure that you wash your hands with a good exfoliant afterwards. And I'm basically just applying it all over my body. So I start on the kind of feet, leg, work my way up the body to my stomach, and then the last area I do is always my arms and back. Well, I attempt to do my back. I usually have Jay do the back of me, which is what he's doing now. The next thing you want to do is make sure you're wearing loose clothing and wait 15 minutes before you get dressed. So you can see in this clip, this is about 3 hours after, so that you can see I have a little bit of color. It usually takes about 6 hours to fully develop. So after 2 to 3 days of after you've applied your self tanner, you can start using your Sun Labs Tan Moisturizer Maintainer. And this is basically a tan extender. It's just going to help you have that tan a lot longer. It's also going to help to keep your skin moisturized and looking nice and healthy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. Bye!